Good day, Sir Leo Arcayos. I am Cadet Emmanuel Maglaslasea reporting for today about the effects of the liquid's free surface inside a tank or compartment to the vessel stability. The free surface effect significantly impacts the stability of a vessel, particularly those carrying liquids. Number one is understanding the free surface effect. When a tank or compartment isn't completely full, the liquid inside has a free surface, a boundary between the liquid and air. When the vessel heals or tilts, this free surface also tilts. This liquid's movement within the tank creates a shifting center of gravity known as CG. This shift reduces the vessel's metacentric height, known as GM, a key measure of stability. A smaller GM means the vessel is less stable and more prone to capsizing. How it affects stability. Number one is reduce metacentric height or GM. The primary effect is a decrease in GM. A lower GM means less resistance to rolling and a higher likelihood of capsizing. The more liquid and the larger and more shallow the tank, the greater the effect. Number two is increased rolling period. The free surface effect increases the vessel's rolling period, meaning it takes longer to return to its upright position after a disturbance. This prolonged rolling can exacerbate instability. Number three is increased risk of capsizing. With reduced stability, the vessel becomes more susceptible to capsizing, especially in rough seas or during sudden maneuvers. Number four is influence of tank shape and size. The impact of the free surface effect depends on the tank's dimension. Long shallow tanks are more problematic than short deep ones. The location of tanks within the vessel also matters. Tanks located high in the vessel have a more significant impact. Mitigation strategies. Several strategies can minimize the free surface effect. For example, number one is partial filling. Keeping tanks partially full reduces the amount of liquid that can shift. Number two is baffling. Installing baffles within tanks breaks up free end surface, preventing large-scale movement. Number three is tank design. Designing tanks that are short and deep reduces the free surface effect. Number four is slashing suppression. Advanced techniques such as a slashing suppression systems can further minimize liquid movement. And number five, final, is proper loading. Careful consideration of cargo placement and distribution is crucial to maintain stability. Local considerations or Philippine Visayas Cebu. The free surface effect is a universal phenomenon impacting vessels worldwide, including those operating in the waters around Cebu. Local considerations might include the type of vessel commonly used, such as fishing boats, cargo ships, and ferries, the, the typical cargo carried, and the prevailing sea conditions. These factors influence the design and operational practice to mitigate the free surface effect and ensure safe navigation. Strict adherence and to international maritime regulation and best practices is crucial. Thanks for watching.